Hey there, my friends in tech. Welcome back to the channel. And so it looks like that there's a breakdown of all four Google Pixel devices coming this August 13th, 2024 at the Made by Google event. And shout out to 9 to 5 Google. They published this. Link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check it out for yourselves. But yeah, I'm a little bit baffled by this. I mean, we are seeing the breakdowns of the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Fold is what it's said to be called, which I find it strange because, yeah, I'll get into it when we get to that point. But anyways, what we're seeing is a teardown of the device, the boards used, the battery size, basically, and I'm talking about like the width and whatnot of the battery, not so much as like the milliamps. We're getting the model numbers, like the 9 Pro is GEC77, 4780 milliamp hour battery, 25.20 watt charging. So you guys will see that on the display itself. I'm not going to read every one of them, but you know, it's very strange to see this leak already. And it leads people to think that Google intentionally leaks their new products to build hype behind it. It would almost seem that way just by what we're seeing right now. This company, this Taiwanese company, was able to get all four devices and tear them down. This is torn down before Jerry Rigs Everything was able to tear it down and stress test it. I mean, I'm sure he'll still stress test it, but, you know, it won't be the first to break it down so we can see what's inside the phone in itself. We're seeing, you know, the battery and just how big the battery is in general. And of course, you know, the display panel and internal components. We're seeing the, you know, the sealant for the water and dust resistance. You know, it's IP68 water and dust resistance. You're going to see those sealants at least, you know, some of them throughout the breakdown, but it's so totally strange. Overall, I know that we've been really focused on the design of the Pixel 9. There are people that just do not like the new style camera bar. They would prefer it to reach end to end on the side rails. You know, there's talks of like it would look weird connecting to the side rails just because of the sides being completely boxed flat and not with a slight curve for ergonomics. I don't know, to each his own, right? Everyone's gonna have their taste and style. So yeah, so it's just weird. Sometimes I wish that these things would have a lid kept on them for the excitement, because it seems that when it comes to the Made by Google event, the most exciting thing is going to be the price. Once they start unveiling what these items cost, I think will be the only thing that we would be shocked about, whether good or bad. The design of it, we pretty much are well aware of it. Android, we are well aware of Android 15. We are well aware of Gemini Nano and, you know, Google's AI and everything they're invested in that. So not a lot of things is kept secret. I mean, we don't know what the camera sensors are. If it's a repeat of last year's model and the year before that's model, have they changed it up? Have they gone with a bigger size millimeter lens? Those things we will probably stay in the dark about, and that would be the main shocker to all of this. But, you know, that's pretty much all that there is. It's all she wrote. You know, we're getting a real bird's eye view of the Pixel Fold 2. That's what I would like to call it. Calling it the Pixel Fold, the Pixel 9 Fold. That just seems weird because there hasn't been 8 generations before it. So that would cause some confusion. So hopefully they just call it the Pixel Fold 2. Some people are liking it. The new camera bar, I think, is going to be an issue here that people may not take to or not gravitate to. But, you know, that's style and preference, to each his own. So anyways, what do you guys think of these teardown breakdowns? Put your comments in the comment section of the video, your emotional outbursts, or any questions you have. Thanks for checking out my video today. Really appreciate you guys for doing that. Promo code for Helium Mobile in the description. Check it out to get 1 month free. And yeah, that's all she wrote. Till next time.